What a channel this is. Just look at it. 341 videos and an unbelievable 4.09 million subscribers. And now check this out. Spider-Man video. What a video. High quality, full action, next level animation. It looks like a real movie. Smooth movements, flying scenes, and intense background music. Every second of the video is engaging. Spider-Man swinging through the city, fighting with robots and saving people. Stunning effects and camera angles. Absolutely cinematic. This is not just a YouTube video. It's a blockbuster. That's why the channel is growing so fast. They know what people love and they deliver it perfectly. Take a screenshot now, share it, show it, and get inspired. This is the perfect example of how viral, action-packed content is made. Take a screenshot. First step, open ChatGPT. This is where your creative journey begins. Take a screenshot of your character, like a beautiful, emotional, and cute cat. Now simply ask, give me 8 powerful prompts using this character. And just like that, you'll get 8 mind-blowing prompts, each filled with heart and style. These prompts are not random. They're full of emotion, drama, action, and storytelling. Some prompts will make people smile, some will make them cry, and some will make them say, "Wow!" Each one is made to match your cat's look. Same character, different scenes, all deeply engaging. You'll feel the magic in every line. These are not boring prompts. They're viral-level ideas. Whether it's a brave moment, a sad goodbye, or a cute little dance, the ideas are so visual and vivid. Once you have these 8 prompts, your full video concept 2. Open Pixelman AI. Now, open Pixelman AI in your browser. This is a free tool that helps us turn prompts into stunning AI-generated images. Once it's open, select the image size that fits your project. For example, portrait, landscape, square. Now take the prompt that we copied from ChatGPT and paste it into the input box in Pixelman. Click on Generate, third step, and very important step. Now open Runway ML. This is one of the best websites for generating AI videos. Take the HD pictures you created with Leonardo AI. Just drag and drop them into Runway. Next, copy the prompts given by ChatGPT and paste them into Runway's animation or video tool. And boom! You'll see your cat image come to life as a realistic, smooth, full HD video. Runway ML is super advanced. It creates emotion, movement, and magic in just seconds. Your cat will blink, walk, jump, cry, laugh, just like a real animated character. Paste each prompt, match it with your pictures, and watch as short scenes turn into mini movies. This is the secret behind viral cat shorts. Everyone is using it, and now you can too. Runway supports storytelling, cinematic effects, and realistic motions like no other. So get ready. Once you see the result, you'll say, "Wow, whoa! What a video! What a vibe!" Once you see the result, you'll say, "Wow, whoa! What a video! What a vibe!" Now open CapCut, your final and most powerful tool to finish the video. Import all your AI-generated videos from Runway ML. Just drag and drop them in. Now start adding effects, transitions, slow motion, zoom-ins, and emotional filters, all inside CapCut. CapCut is super smooth and easy to use, perfect for fast viral content creation. Want a sad moment? Add soft music and slow fade-in. Want action? Use shake, flash, or glitch effects. You can also adjust the brightness, speed, background blur, and add cinematic borders. Don't forget to add text overlays, subtitles, emojis, and even sound effects to boost engagement. Do all your creative magic here. Polish the video until it feels perfect and emotional. Once done, export your video in full HD, ready for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. CapCut is your final studio, where your story turns into a viral masterpiece. YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram. CapCut is your final studio, where your story